Cleveland Utilities decided to move in the fiber direction several years ago, but it's been something that we've looked at for a long time, going back all the way to, say, 2002. Timing was right, the community was ready, and Cleveland Utilities was positioned in such a way that I think it's the right time for our community to have fiber.
First and foremost, it's an all-fiber network, so that allows it to be as fast as we can go. It's future-proof. So it's more reliable, it's going to be fast, but in the future, whatever high speed, high bandwidth requirements from whatever application might be developed in the future, Cleveland is going to have the network that they can make changes without having to do a wholesale change-out.
Because our network is 100% fiber backbone, fiber to the home, fiber inside the home, it gives us the opportunity to provide customers speeds that they've never seen from our competitors.
The new fiber network is going to place Cleveland, Tennessee at the forefront of technology in our region. I'm so thankful that Cleveland is now able to join other neighborhoods and surrounding areas in our region by providing lightning-fast broadband and fiber technology.
But you have to understand, with a service now that is an option for people to choose, is they need to trust that we're providing a product that's superior to anything they've ever had an opportunity to have. That they trust that it's going to be reliable, that they trust that what we say we will do.
ENTRUST Communications' role in this project is from A to Z. It's from beginning to end.
They know that there are gaps in their knowledge that they need somebody to help them fill.
Having the relationship there has created a partnership that feels almost as if they are a part of our team specifically. They're not a contractor, but they are a part of Cleveland Utilities organization.
Before you ever sign the contract with ENTRUST, they've always been willing to answer any questions. One of the most impressive pieces about ENTRUST is that engagement team that they bring on site with you, even before you ever sign your scope of work. They want to make certain that you're comfortable with the level of service they're going to provide you, and they want to make sure that they're comfortable with how you operate, because it has to be a cohesive partnership.
We start with a feasibility study, and that study is to make sure that Cleveland can hit all their financial goals. That is it feasible, is it practical? And we move on to designing this network. We design all the fiber, we design all the outside plant.
Our RFP process, we will reach out to the vendors that we already have listed for certain regions that can serve in that area. We'll also take input from our client.
We are all very involved with the management of the construction to make sure that things are being done per design and make sure quality control through our QC audits. We'll also be involved in just managing all the things that Cleveland needs from their perspective. What questions do they have? Basically to hold their hand till they're good with everything.
When Cleveland Utilities looked at the idea of fiber, we looked at a multitude of contractors that can assist in that magnitude. One of the main important factors to us, though, was having a partner that had the breadth of knowledge to go from design all the way to construction, all the way to service. And for us, when we looked at all the different available contractors out there, we felt the most comfortable with ENTRUST having the ability to support us throughout the entire process.
The whole feasibility study covered areas that we had just not thought of. And while they were not the lowest bid or the lowest proposal that was put in front of us, they were by far the best proposal put in front of us.
So the process with ENTRUST has really been seamless. For the most part, we've been able to interface with them day in and day out.
Having a partner involved in the project from the very beginning has been paramount in the success of what this project rollout looks like. ENTRUST has the experience. They've been around the block, would be a way to frame that. That has enabled us to really hit the ground running in every respect.
We try to come in and not only just give them the information, but also reassure them that, hey, we've got this, we're going to work on it together. And that's when things get personal, because then you're not standing across the table from them anymore. You're sitting on the seat next to them and you're driving down the road together.
ENTRUST is dedicated to taking care of our customers. We want to make sure that they're successful. When our clients are successful, ENTRUST is successful.
You have to have skills and talents, and having those partnerships with people that have been there and done that have made a difference in our experience with the build out of this fiber project.
This project is already having an economic development impact on our city. Businesses, homeowners, professionals, and families are choosing Cleveland, Tennessee because they know that fiber is coming. We've had it all around us for quite some time. We're so happy Cleveland is joining the 21st century of broadband and fiber.
Today, we've still just scratched the surface of what is really capable across a fiber optic network. Obviously, being able to serve a customer with internet and phone services is what people expect today. But what is coming next is how do you take this asset and improve it for your entire city? How do you expand the reach of what communication can do for your entire community?
There's no doubt that our new fiber network is going to greatly increase the quality of life. Kids won't have to worry about how to do their homework. My grandchildren won't have to worry about the spinning circle on the television at Papa's house. Everyone's quality of life is about to get much better in the city of Cleveland.